Okay, so this is which time frame you saw?
I saw in 1 week, uncle.
Okay.
Like actually, I refer to uncle. I refer to Google Finance, Google
Why
Finance and Grow also.
No, the candlestick will be
Yeah, like candlesticks won't come properly in Google Finance, uncle. But the price immediately show in Google Finance. I've tried a lot of time. So
on what date
yes,
you
uncle.
saw the chart? On what date you saw the chart?
Uh,
This is weekly chart now. You should you should check the daily chart first.
But daily chart, like only today is what happened, it will show now, uncle.
No, when did you see that?
I have screenshot, uncle. I think I saw on this day, uncle.
No, I was asking on which date you saw the chart.
Uncle, I saw it on Thursday.
Last Thursday, right? So then you open
Yes,
the
uncle.
chart. Then you show me the daily chart of Thursday, no? One day. You just filter one day here. Here, one day.
You're like, in this only what happened today it will show now, uncle.
No, it will show that day also, no? Wait, I'll tell you. So today is this candle, right? And today is Tuesday, correct?
Yes, uncle.
Monday. And then Saturday, Sunday was holiday. So this was Friday and this was Thursday. This candle was Thursday. So that is why candlestick is a very good pattern, right? It will show you the data what has happened on the previous day, but line chart won't show you. It will just show you the line, right? Here it will show you the prices also, correct? So if you see the chart, so this is the chart for Thursday, right? Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. So this is the candle of the Monday, Thursday, right? This candle.
Yes.
Right. So yeah. So this is a resistance area, right? This is the resistance area. So we have to wait for a breakout, right? So you should have purchased here today. Today it gave a breakout, right? So the entry point was today only, not that day, because there was a resistance here.
Okay.
This is previous resistance, right? Yeah. Right. And this is one more resistance here. So if you take an entry here, you should exit here. Right?
Uncle, one more doubt, uncle. Like, even this also had a doubt, uncle, because like from past 1 year I was checking. Like only in candlesticks, like we have this resistance now, uncle, like what you mark this side and this side. So when the price goes up, will the previous charts and the previous graphs also change, or will it be stable?
The previous will not change. Previous is already happened, right? It is already created the candle. It will not change the previous data. Historical data will not change. Only the future data will change, right? So we have to predict the future data we have to predict the future price based on the historical data. So this is what is called as technical analysis, right? Like this department of weather condition, right? They will check the weather condition based on the historical data, right? They will predict what will be the temperature in future based on the historical data only. Similarly, we have to predict the historical prices, historical data, and we have to see what is going to happen in future based on the historical data. So this is all historical data, right? Everything is historical data. Understood?
Yes, uncle, understood.
So, so, so it is not important that you have to take the entry. Once your setup is formed, then only you have to take the entry.
Uncle, one more uncle, like in case if I buy a stock, no, uncle, it goes buy, then how to set the stop loss in this one? Is it on ratio or is it on price?
I have explained you that, risk reward ratio.
Yes, uncle. Yes, uncle. Like 1:2 means like 2 rupees. For 2 rupees we are making 1 rupees losing. That one I understood, uncle. But
So there are many ways to keep the stop loss. Let's take an example of today. Let's say you entered here because there was a breakout, right? So your stop loss will be the low of this candle. So this will be a stop loss. The low of this candle.
no, this one I understood, uncle. Like I'm asking in case if in case like I was like trying to purchase from my mother's account, uncle, at CFC. So there, like, how should I like put stop loss and those stuffs and all in? It only says buy, and MKT and LKT, and that's it. Then I'm like I don't know how to. I understood the concept of stop loss, uncle, but like how to buy that stock in the stop loss or something.
So you want to create a stop loss, right?
Yes.
See, for intraday you can create from stop loss, but if you want to create it for a long term, then you have to use the GTT order. GTT. Good till trigger. So
Okay. Like, if the price come to that particular price what you've entered, then only it will automatically buy.
It will automatically buy or sell whatever you have placed that order. The price it will execute at that price. Whether you want to buy it or you want to sell it, it will automatically execute. I don't know, but I don't know whether in Grow they have a facility of GTT or not. I don't know about Grow. But in other like Kotak Securities and Zerodha, they have this facility.
Uncle, one more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle. Like since you said Kotak, no, uncle, I was just going through Kotak website. So there's something called this Kotak Youth Free something. Because like anyone below the age of 30, for them there'll be certain.
That is a plan. That is a brokerage plan they are offering. They are offering less brokerage in that.
Like can I opt that one or is there other item?
You can check whichever is less. You can opt for that based on your trading transaction numbers, right? How much transaction you are doing, based on that you have to see the broker which is charging less. You should go for that.
Okay.
And we'll start. So in the last class, any other doubt from the last class?
No, uncle. Everything else.
Fine. So what we discussed in the last class, can you just remind me?
Uncle, you taught me what was retest. Retest, and then three types of traders. Three type of psychology of traders, when they would enter and when they would exit. And then
and hammer, did I teach you hammer?
Yes, uncle, you taught me hammer. How to trade basis on hammer and support and resistance of it.
Okay. So see, in Nifty also you can see that there was a hammer formed on Friday, right? You can see here. This is a hammer, right? Nifty. Right? So once it crosses the high, you can take a buy trade. So it caused the high price today. So now you can here it's the best time to take the entry, okay? And your stop loss will be the low of this candle, the today's candle, because you took an entry today, right? So your stop loss will be the low of this candle and target will be 25,669. Correct. So this is
if the price crosses that one, I had to move.
Take the
buy. Exit.
Once it comes near this price, right, 25,669 or 25,665 or something like that, you have to exit or book profits.
Okay.
Right. So next candle we will discuss about doji today. Okay. Doji. So any idea about this candle?
I think I wrote that. Now, like it is one of the weak candle or indecision candle.
Indecisive candle. Yes.
Yeah. Also known as weak candle or indecision candle.
This is a indecisive candle. Basically, there are four types of doji candle. You can see on the screen. These
Like
are
I only know what it means, uncle. I don't know how to find it in on.
so these are the four types of candles. This one, okay. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So this is the actual candle doji, and it is formed like this. Plus sign, you know, right? Plus sign, kind of plus sign. Right. So second type is long leg doji. The upper wig is small and the lower wig will be long like this. Third one is dragonfly doji. So in this, it is formed in T shape, correct? And fourth one is gravestone doji. So this is formed the ulta T. You can say that reverse T, right? Kind of reverse T. Okay. Second thing is that in these kind of candles, open equals to close. Mostly open equals to close, or open and close will be near prices. Right? Let's say the open price is 1110, then the close price will also be near 1110 or 109.75 or 1110.25 like that, right? It will be nearer. So that is why we call it as a doji or indecisive candle. So in such kind of candles, buyers and sellers are same. So that is why this kind of candle is formed, because we have a similar volume from both buyers and sellers. Okay. So how you have to trade? You have to trade in the same manner as you trade hammer. Once it crosses the high price, you have to take a buy trade, and once it crosses the low price, you have to take the short trade. Right. So the trading mechanism is same. The only thing is that the shape is different. So there also we spoke about four hammers, right? Here also we have four candles, four types of different candles, right?
So which means 8. So 4 in green and 4 in red.
No. In hammer and doji, it doesn't matter whether it is red or green. You just need to see the shape.
Okay.
Shape only. It can be green or it can be red, but for us it doesn't matter. We have to see only the shape. We don't have to focus on the color of the candle. Okay. As far as doji and hammer are concerned, right? Apart from that, if we want to see any other candle like bullish Marubozu or bearish Marubozu, then we have to see the colors. But here, in terms of doji or hammer, we don't have to be concerned about the colors. Okay. I will show you in chart how it looks like. See here, you can see this is a kind of doji, right? Upper wick and lower wick are same. The first type of doji, correct? It's not exactly the same, because in the perfect doji there will not be any body. Here you can see there is a body, right? In the middle there is a body, but in perfect doji the body will not be there, but it is more or less kind of doji only. Okay. See,
Then the left one also is a doji one, uncle.
This is hammer. This is hammer, right? In hammer you can see that the bigger body, upper wick is small and lower wick is long. That is hammer.
So doji means it will be plus.
Plus, and both upper wick and lower wick will be same only.
Okay.
The body will not be there, right? See, you have to start identifying the candle. You have to start identifying the candle, right?
That one I'm doing.
You should know the difference between hammer and doji. That is why we have different shapes, right? Okay, clear?
Yes, uncle, understood.
So we will see some other dojis also. See, this kind of doji is very common. The first one is very common. First and second are very common. The third one and fourth one are very rare. Third and fourth one are very rare candles. Okay. I will try to show you if I find those. See, this is a type of second candle. This is a type of second doji, right? Second type of doji, long leg doji, right? And this is the first one, right? I think I saw in some stock Force Motors. I'll show you. Weekly chart, I think I saw. See here. Right? It's a mix of inverted hammer and gravestone doji, correct? It's a kind of mix of inverted hammer and a gravestone, right?
So if there's a small wick down, then it's known as a hammer.
See, the lower wick is very, very, very minor, right? So we can think of it's a kind of hammer. But if you see the gravestone of doji also looks like this, right? The reverse T. It's a kind of reverse T also, right?
Yes, uncle.
So sometimes the candle will not be perfect, right? So you have to take a chance. You have to take a chance on that candle, right? Because I have shown you 8 candles, but similar to hammer and doji, there will be hundreds of candles, right? There will not be. Sometimes there will be a exact match, and sometimes they may not be the exact match, right? So you have to kind of consider it hammer or a doji like that, right? Because the volume will keep on changing. These candles are formed based on the volume only, right? So this is a inverted hammer at the top, right? So you have to take the buy position when it crosses the high, and you have to take the short position once it crosses the low. So see here, it didn't cross the low price, right, yet. After that, we can see a big green candle here, right? So it didn't cross the low, so we have to wait. So this is a kind of consolidation range.
Okay.
Right. So once it crosses this, then only we will take a trade. Or once it crosses below this, then we will short it. That's it. इसके बीच में, in the middle of this, we will not do anything. If you want to do some kind of scalping, then you can do it based on the daily chart. But mostly, if you are an
risky also.
Because it's a heavy stock, right? 15,000 stock. Cost of this stock is 15,000. One stock, right?
Last year I saw it was 7,400 something.
Yes.
Even Eicher Motors also.
Yes. Eicher Motors. Right, you can see. See here, you can see a kind of inverted hammer at the top, right? Kind of inverted hammer, right?
Yes, sir.
After that, it came down. So you have to take a chance. It is not a 100% game, right? So that is why practice is important. Once you keep practicing, then only your hands will get set, and then you'll get confidence. Right. So you need to learn to make profits, and you need to learn to make losses also. Out of 10 trades, if your 5 or 6 trades are in profit and the 5 or 4 trades are in loss, then you are a very good trader. Because you are considering 1:2, right? 5 trades are successful, that means you have earned 10 rupees, and 5 trades are lost, that means you have lost 5 rupees. So overall you earned 5 rupees, then you are a very good trader, right? So that is how you have to think. Don't think that all the times you will make profit only. Sometimes you will have to make losses also. Even I also make losses. It is not like that all the times I will make profits only. Okay.
But not how, like after that
But
loss,
my-
how to be normal?
But that will come only with experience. You have to start booking the losses. That will come only with experience. Right?
Like once if I book a loss, I'm really scared to touch the laptop only, uncle.
No. You have to book losses also, right? Because you are not a god, right? You are a trader. So have, if you are booking profits, then you have to book loss also. But your profit should be more than your losses.
Losses.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then only you will be successful in trading. Right? Even in business also, even if you start any business, there also sometimes you will get profits, sometimes you will get losses also. Everywhere it is like that, right? So here also it's a kind of business. But you have to make sure that your profits are more and your losses are less. So this is the main thing you have to make sure that, right?
Okay.
So yeah, that psychology will come only once you start practicing and once you get confidence and once you start booking the losses, right? Then only you will get that confidence. Okay. Because nobody is perfect, right? Okay, you understood doji and then you can try to find. See, this is one more doji, right? The gravestone doji, the last one, right? Gravestone doji. Right. So you should start identifying the candles, and you have to trade only these kind of candles. Don't trade any other candle. See here you can see
only hammer and doji.
Here you can see so many candles are there, right? But you will not trade any other candle except doji and hammer. See, sometimes when you start trading, then when you start seeing the candles, you will feel like every candle is a doji and every candle is a hammer, right? But once you practice it, then only you will be able to uh, examine the exact candle, which is doji and which is hammer. Okay. Fine. This is clear.
Yes, uncle. Clear.
Okay.
One more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle. Like in the live candle charts, like when you thought me like, okay, if there's a hammer, if the hammer find support and resistance, and then if it takes a breakout, then take a trade, and then afterwards keep a target, then book a profits, then move. So now my question is, when the candles move now, that time what should I do? Should I only just sit and watch, or like how?
You have to keep patient. You have to sit and watch because it has to trigger. There are two things. Either it has to trigger your stop loss or it has to trigger your profit. So you have to wait for any of this thing first, right? Don't try to exit in fear in between. Okay. Either your stop loss should trigger or your profit should trigger. Okay. So let's say you entered at 100, your stop loss is 90 and your target is 120 and now the stock is between 95. Let's say it's 95. So it is up to you. If you want to book the loss, it's fine. But after that, it can go towards the upside also, right? Because you have considered some strategy, right? So based on the strategy only you have to follow. Okay. So try to find some doji in a Hindustan lever. Can you see? Can you check the chart of Hindustan lever and tell me if there are any dojis or hammers formed? So now how you will trade this chart? See this is a breakout, right?
Like at 2300, like just above that line, there's a
Sorry.
like the 2300, just above that line, there's a hammer, uncle.
Here.
No, down, uncle.
Here.
No. Like there's big Marubozu, then there's another candle and one more that side.
Here. This one.
Yeah. Yes, that same candle.
So that's a very small one with a very less volume. Don't consider that.
And even next to the next red candle.
So
that's a doji.
So you will see all the candles as hammer and doji only now. See, this is a downtrend, right? After downtrend only you have to see the hammer and doji. I explained you in the last class. Now you have to see the trend first, right? After a downtrend, you will see a doji or hammer to trade, right? These two are hammer and trade. So these only you have to take the trade, not here.
But
right?
like uncle, like in many stocks now, uncle, like after downtrend or uptrend, there'll be hammer also. Like which one should I give preference, doji or hammer?
I told you, you have to mark the high and the low of both the candles, and then you have to consider.
Okay.
Right. Based on that, so after this, once it crosses this high, then you will take a buy trade and enter here, and you can exit. Where you will exit? In this area.
2.325.
This is the area to exit because there was a previous resistance, right? And once it does a breakout here, then again you will enter here. Again you will take the entry here and exit near this area. Right. Now your third entry will be on top of this. Now your entry will be
Uncle,
on.
one more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle. Like after every breakout, will the stock go up or down?
It can go any side. There is no 100% guarantee that it will go up only. Sometimes it can go down also. Because sometimes there are fake breakouts also.
Okay, to massive previous support.
But that is why we have to use the stop loss now. Sometimes there will be a fake breakouts also, right? So fake breakouts are called as fake outs. FAKEOUTS, fake outs. So that is why we have to keep the stop loss also here. But once you are taking an entry here, your stop loss will be here. Or half of this. 50% of this. Right. So try to find some dojis or hammer with trend. Don't try to trade in a consolidation market. Only pick the trends with. Once there is a change in trend, then try to find hammer and doji. Don't try to find in the middle. See here also you can see that, right? So there was a trend. There was a trend upside, and you can see two candles are there. And once it crosses the low, then only it gave a breakdown here, right? So here is the short candidate, and then you can go down like that. Okay.
Okay, like even at 2375, after the next big red cat, that one is a doji, uncle.
Here.
No, this side. No, uncle. Left side.
Okay, where?
That one, you just crossed on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, yes.
But this is not a trend, right? So this is consolidation.
So I should not do anything over here.
Here also you can see, if you are an experienced trader, you can trade here also, right? For a scalping. From a scalping point of view, you can trade here also, right? But it will hit your stop loss because this is a consolidation going on, right?
Yes, because
consolidation you will not. Or what you can do is that you can say that once you see 4 or 5 candles, then only you will consider a trend. Don't consider a trend if you see only 2 or 3 candles. Okay,
I can understand.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 candles, and now you have to wait for a doji hammer to take a buy trade.
Okay.
Okay.
So the market is moving sideways. I should not see any I should not do anything. Only after when I figure out the support and resistance, then when it takes a breakout or a breakdown, then only I have to react.
Yeah. See, if you minimize the chart, you will be able to see that there was a consolidation going on here, right? Then no need to take the entry with this point and this point.
Then I have to move on to the next stock.
Search for next stock, or you can wait or leave the screen. So that is up to you.
Leave the screen means like exit.
Don't take any trade then. If you want to trade only Hindustan Lever, and if the setup is not getting formed, then don't trade.
So I had to wait for one moment till then.
Wait. Yeah, you have to wait. If setup is not formed, what you will do? You don't have to take a wrong trade, correct? Or do you want to take wrong trade also?
No, uncle. I'm fine.
Then wait. See, Waiting is also a type of trading only, right? Yeah, waiting means it's a type of trading only. Okay. So you have to trade only once your setup is formed, as don't trade. Okay. And second thing, you can keep it, if you want to trade with more accuracy, what you can do is that you can check hammer and doji, and along with that you can plot your indicator. I have explained you that, the indicator pivot points, right? You can plot
any indicator.
You can plot the pivot points.
Like, what does that do, uncle? Like, I have no idea what pivot points are.
Okay, so pivot points is a kind of support and resistance indicator. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see some lines here, right? So what I will do, I have to do some changes to it so that I can easily recognize which one is my support and which one is my resistance. So right now I will take only two support and two resistance, right? So resistance I will mark it red. Okay. The resistance I will mark with red, and support let's mark with green line. Okay. I have marked it, right? So now you can see red green line, right? So if the price is down, see here you can see where is the price here, right? So all the lines which are below the price, they are support, and all the lines which are above my price, they are resistance.
Okay.
Okay, so my price is here, right? So I have one resistance here, and I have S1, S2, S3 supports here, right? So I should always try to buy near the support and should always try to book profit near the resistance. This strategy you can use, either use this type of strategy. Always try to buy near the support or try to exit near the resistance, right? So this is my support area, so I can buy here now. My stop loss will be very low, like very near here only. My stop loss will be here only, and my target is here. Okay, so use one thing. Either use previous swing high, previous swing low, or use pivot points. But you can combine hammer and doji with the pivot points. Right?
What do you refer, uncle?
I use pivot points. Actually, I use both the previous swing high and pivot points. I combine everything and use it. So those things will come with experience only. So that is why I'm telling you that use one thing only now. Use pivot points only. Okay.
Okay. So what are those yellow lines over there?
This is called as pivot point, right? Pivot. So since this line is also below this price, so this will also act as support.
Okay. The indicator name is pivot points. Anything which is in yellow in the pivot points is
no
pivot.
Don't tell yellow because I can change the color from here also.
Okay.
I can change it black also, right? Fine. So you should think like whatever lines are below the price, they are support, and whatever lines are above the price, they are resistance. So think like that.
Okay, understood.
And don't consider the previous lines. Only consider the current line only. These lines you should not think about.
Will these keep changing, uncle, on regular markets?
Yes. See, you can see that every week it will change. Every week. See, if you are plotting daily, then these lines will be same for whole month. But if you plot is for 15 minutes, then I'll show you. If you plot for 15 minutes chart, see, it is going to change every day. See, the area is near the support, right? You can see that all the lines are near support, so this is the best zone to buy. So what I will do in this scenario, I'll tell you. My price is near the support line, right? And this is my resistance. And this is my previous swing high, right? Now I will take an entry here. My stop loss will be here, and I will book my profits here. I will not wait for it.
Okay, understood, uncle. Okay, then why didn't it show over there one line, uncle?
Okay, this concept is clear.
Yes, uncle. One question, uncle.
This
Like
indicator,
when you
this indicator plots the line based on the time frame. Okay, but previous swing high is plotted based on the price.
oh,
So that is why this line is different and this resistance is different. So that is why I combine both the things, and so that I can filter out the wrong trades.
understand.
So that is why I combine these two indicators. But sometimes I combine more indicators also, 2 or 3 indicators also I'll use sometimes. So it depends on you how you want to use it. If you want to filter out the noise or if you want to filter out the wrong trades, then you have to use more indicators. So I think this should be the best strategy for you. Use hammer plus doji, hammer and doji plus pivot points plus previous swing high and previous swing low. If you understand these 3 things now, then this is more than sufficient for you to start the trading and to enter. In this setup, you will get 50 to 60% accuracy most of the times.
Only if I am perfect in these.
But that comes with experience only, right? I have seen that this gives 50 to 60% of accuracy, but that you have to practice because apart from technicals, you have to practice from here also.
Psychology also you should practice.
Yes, psychology is very important. See, I can teach you strategies, I can teach you setup, but psychology should come from here only. Right.
Tomorrow if I buy a stock, at what price range should I buy, uncle?
Which one? This one only. See, tomorrow these lines will change, na? See,
Yeah.
now you are seeing here, right? So tomorrow these lines will change. So tomorrow you have to trade based on the new lines.
No, uncle. I'm not asking about the lines. If I'm buying tomorrow, and what should be? I want to buy only one stock, 2 stock, nothing more than that, uncle. Like in case we want to trade, under what budget should I trade?
So that is up to you now. How much capital you are taking, that depends on you.
Okay.
Right. So, see, let's think about today. Morning the market opens. When the market opens, it will plot these 2 lines. Okay. Once the market opens at 9:15, it will plot this line and it will plot this line, right? So now the market opens in the middle, right? So then what you are going to do? So what you are going to do here now? Because the market opens in the middle, neither you are near the support nor you are near the resistance, right? You are somewhere in the middle, right? So at this time,
consolidation.
So you should not take
just sit and watch.
Either if you are a buyer, either you should wait for a breakout here, or you should wait for a price to come near 23.90. So this should be your strategy. Either it should give a breakout here, or it should come here, then only you will buy. Otherwise, leave it. So now you can see that at around 13, like 1 o'clock, the price came here, right? So this is the best time to buy.
There's one more thing I observed, uncle. On till 11:30, the market will be very bullish.
Not 11:30. The market will be bullish till 10:15, mostly 10:15.
Something early. And then the last 30 to 40 minutes of the day, around 3:44, something like that.
This time you should avoid the trade. 10:30 to 12, you should not take the trade between this time. 12:30 or 1 o'clock also maybe you can think of.
Ah,
After that you can plan. Right? So normally I don't enter during this time. Between 11 to 1 I will not sit. I mostly try not to sit in front of the screen between 11 to 1 mostly. Because if you sit in front of the screen, definitely you will take the trade.
yeah.
How much experience you have, whether I am there or you are here, or a person having 20 years of experience also sitting in the screen, he will definitely take the trade. So you have to set your, you should set your rules and discipline. So I normally don't sit in front of the screen between 11 to 1, so that because I don't want to take the trade at that time.
Okay, uncle. Understood.
Fine. So you have to write your rules in the diary, and you have to by heart from here also, that you will not do. Fine. So here you will, if you take an entry around 1 o'clock, then tomorrow you may get the price near here. Around 2400
Okay.
you can book, right? Or if you are a quick trader, you would have booked today only, because it is 24.
2400.
So you entered around 2385 and you exited at 24.
Okay, uncle. Uncle, one more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle. Like you said, uncle, like penny stocks are there, large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and then small cap stocks. On these all types of stocks, will the pattern and the trend be the same, or will it be on small case will it be more volatile or blue chip or something?
See, small cap stocks are the manipulative stocks. They have a very less volume. So based on the volume only, the trend or the pattern may get changed.
And they are the most cheaper one also.
No, cheaper one you cannot decide with the price, right? So there are many other criteria to see whether it's a cheap or expensive.
Based on intrinsic value.
Intrinsic value is a different thing. So I don't think based on the intrinsic value. I will just try to use it based on the indicator. See, like this, right? Here the price was cheap, so we will buy it for some kind of swing trade, right? Because I got it at cheaper price only, right? Because in the morning it opened at here, but in the afternoon, so for me there is a cheaper price.
Yes, yes.
Every day the price will change, right? Sometimes it will be expensive, sometimes it will be cheaper. Like you go out to buy fruits and vegetables, right? Every day the fruits and vegetable price will be different, right? It won't be same every day. Based on the demand and supply, it will change. So I will teach you one more indicator, demand and supply, which you can use it to find out whether the stock is cheap or stock is expensive. You should not
Okay,
think
uncle.
that
Like
you should not think that if the price of force motor is 15,000, that means it is very expensive. No. You have to think based on the demand and supply.
one more thing, uncle. Like, should I take trade in large cap stocks or which stocks to like large cap, small cap, or something?
If for practice
one, uncle?
purpose, use only Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50. Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50. Next 50.
That Nifty 50 is 25,000, uncle.
Nifty 50 has 50 stocks and next 50 has again 50 stocks. So total 100 stocks.
So I should not buy the whole index. I should only buy like
stocks.
I should. Okay,
Only
okay,
focus on
understood,
stock.
understood.
Don't do indexing.
No, no.
50 plus 50, 100 stocks are there, na? Then use these 100 stocks only to trade.
How about Sensex in that 80 stocks are there, uncle? Those also can I?
Those are common
use it
only,
to
na? Sensex has 30 stocks, right? So that will be a part the same only. 50 and 30 are mostly same.
Okay.
Fine. See, either
Uncle,
you
I
have,
might ask a bit dumb questions, uncle. Like,
no, it is
if I'm
okay.
really that dumb.
No, it is okay. In trading, nobody is dumb, and you can think of everybody is dumb. Both the things are like that, right? Sometimes your mind will behave like that you will feel that you are dumb. Sometimes I also feel that I have so much of experience in trading, but sometimes I also take wrong trades and mistakes, right? So the trading is like that only.
Okay.
See, either you have to wait. This is a breakout candle, right? Either you have to wait for this kind of candle, or you have to wait near the support to buy.
Okay, uncle.
Okay. So see here also, right? You can see Hindustan Unilever. So here in the morning it opened near the support, then buy it. So whenever you get the large cap stocks near the support, try to buy it. See here consolidation. Here total is consolidation, right? Or consolidation is going on. Here you can short. Sometimes it will not touch this line. It will come like this. So that is why I always use the pivot along with the previous swing high. See
So
this
if I have to buy a stock,
see this must be a previous swing high. See here. See in this case it didn't touch this resistance right here. It came down from here because there was a previous swing high here. See.
yes, sir. Understood.
So so like that you can combine both previous swing high and as well as the pivot. Then your accuracy will increase.
Okay, uncle. Like when I check 1 day chart, okay, uncle. Like, should I also like only on that 1 day only should I support? Should I figure up the support and resistance, or the previous support and resistance also should I figure it up?
No, previous support and resistance you can think only from the previous swing high and previous swing low. These lines you should not consider for previous days. But if you see in a
Okay,
month,
uncle.
but if you plot the daily chart, these lines are valid for 1 month.
Okay.
See, these lines are valid for 1 month, then you have to see the lines for the current month only. Don't see the lines for the previous month. Only you have to see the candles for the previous month.
Okay, uncle. Understood.
And if you use a weekly chart, then these lines will be valid for 1 year. See, these lines are valid for 1 year, right? See, it started in 2025 until 2026, these lines will end. So, if you are checking the weekly chart, always try to buy near this line, support line. Don't buy here. If you buy here, you will get stuck. Right? Because these lines are for 1 year. It is very difficult to cross this line if you are checking on weekly chart, because weekly chart takes a lot of volume, right? As you can see that from here it came down and came here. Since you can see that this stock since January is not able to cross this line, right? Now it has been 6 months, it's not able to cross this line. So always try to buy near the support like this, like this, like this, right? Then you will earn a lot of money if you use weekly chart. I mostly use weekly chart only. So if you use weekly, monthly chart, and if your psychology is good, you can earn a lot of money in stocks.
Actually, like, no, uncle. I see everything. Weekly, daily, whatever I
Don't
see.
see everything. Don't see everything. Your mind will change. Don't see everything. Check only one time frame, whatever suits you. I don't check 15 minutes time frame. I don't check 1 hour time frame. I check only sometimes daily, weekly, sometimes daily, but mostly I'll check weekly and monthly only.
Okay.
If you check all the time frames, you won't be able to make money that I
Yeah.
Okay. So choose one time frame, whichever time frame suits you. Then based on that, you start trading. If you are looking for 4 to 10% of profit, then you can use the daily time frame. And if you want more profit like 15 to 20%, then use weekly chart. But if you are weekly chart using, then you have to wait for a long time, maybe 1 month to 2 months you have to wait. But always try
That's only
to
for big capital.
No, even you choose small capital also, right? Because you are going to college, right? So just try to find some stocks in weekly chart which are near the line. You buy those stocks and forget for 2 months, 1 month, 3 months like that. After 1 month, 2 months, then open your account and you will see some profits.
Yes, uncle. When you said about 1 month, 2 month, no, like what happened? My father would used to give like 500 or 400, uncle, like monthly savings only for petrol.
So you can
Like if he gives
keep
500.
You can buy such stocks like that.
No, uncle. Last time what it was like. Actually, every 500 rupees he'll give me 100 rupees for my own expenses and 400 rupees he'll put for petrol. It would come for 2 weeks. So what that last year June, I like I had something 4,000 uncle, my birthday gifts and my pocket money and all. So like I was very scared at that time. I was new to stock market, very new. Okay, uncle, like then afterwards I saw silver price. Silver price every day it used to go up only. Then I bought it when the price was 98 rupees.
Now it is 106
No, 1 to 1.
Now it is 1 to 1.
I saw in the news, uncle.
No, which ETF you purchased based on that?
No. I went to shop and I bought, uncle.
Okay. Don't buy silver from there. Buy in the stock market. Not silver we have. There you have to pay a lot of making charges if you go to shop and
But
buy.
no, uncle, like I buy only these coins, uncle, not this jewelry and all I don't buy.
No. Coins also is expensive. Buy ETF. Buy silver ETF. I always buy ETF only, silver ETF. Don't go to shop and buy. Buy in stock. Everything is available in stock market. Land, silver, gold.
Uncle, land is only reached now, uncle. That one is a lot of money now, uncle. You need more, minimum
Stocks are
1.5
there,
lakh something.
Stocks are there, na? You buy stocks, na? You buy real estate stocks, na?
Like okay, understood.
See, if
So
someone
metal is not touch.
you should think like that. If someone is buying the real estate, the stock prices will move here, right? The stock prices will increase. So don't buy real estate. Buy stocks. If you buy stocks, you can make more profit. If you buy real estate, you won't be able to make any money. You won't be able to sell it. If you buy land and apartment, you won't be able to sell it. They are very highly unliquid. Stocks are highly liquid. You can sell whenever you want. We have so many real estate stocks, right? DLF, Lodha, Purvankara, Sobha. So many are there, right? So in stock market, you will get everything. Car, cement, flat, land, bank, chemicals, fertilizers, silver.
So like I have those 2 silver coins, uncle. Should I I'll sell and should I buy the ETF something?
Now you hold it, but in future if you want to buy ETF.
But that one, how should I find the support and resistance, uncle? Like that's a good price.
Same way I explained you now. This is valid for everything.
So any chart.
These things will work everywhere. See, I will show you silver chart also. One second. Silver bees. See here. Weekly chart is there, right? See. Right. So now we are here, right? We have already crossed the resistance. So you can start adding a small amount. So the silver target is 116. Now silver will go in next 5 to 6 months. It will go to.
But news I saw it was 1 to 1, uncle.
News is different. They are talking about the hard silver. I am talking about the stock only. They are charging.
But that one is.
Here you have to pay only 0.01%, and there they are charging a lot. So that is why it is costing you 121 rupees. See here it is costing you 104 only. So there you are making loss of how much? You are making loss of 17 rupees. You must have purchased at 1,21,000, right?
Uncle, I bought only for 2,000 something.
No, that is fine, but the rate was 1,21,000, right? And here
per
the rate
kg.
is here the rate is 1,04,000. See, 1,21,000 never went. So they are charging extra. You have to pay 17 rupees. If you are buying 1 gram, then you have to pay 17 rupees extra there. And let's say if you are buying 1 kg, you have to pay 17,000 extra there. Why you want?
No, uncle, because that fellow, he was like, he said to me on coins or on making here on Gandhi said only about only I went this one. So he said I thought of buying one small lamp, uncle, silver lamp. If we keep it in home, nothing will happen. This one. Then he was like, on lamp we had to put making charges. On coin there's no making charges. You buy making charges. I like okay, uncle, give coin only.
So they are charging more in coins, right? So don't buy anything from market. If you want to buy jewelry for yourself, for your mother or sister, then it is fine. But if you want to invest, only ETFs. Invest only in ETF, whether it is gold or silver, whatever it is.
Because ETF is tax free also.
Sorry?
ETF is tax free also, no, uncle?
Here you have very less brokerage, no? 0.01 only. There you have to pay so much of brokerage there.
Okay.
And then you have to go to shop and sell it, right? So here it is.
But this silver won't go anywhere, no, uncle. It will be there only.
It is a stock, no? It is listed in the stock market. You have to buy in the stock market like a stock. You have to buy it like a stock only, right?
Okay.
Similarly, we have gold also. So If you want to buy jewelry for wearing, then it is fine. Go on shop and buy it. But if you want for investment, then do this. So when did you purchase silver?
Uncle, last year June, when it was 98.
Okay, June we were here. 75. See, the
I
price.
remember somewhere it was 98 something, uncle.
That is outside now. Yes was 75, right? So now it is 104 here.
Oh,
So you are in a profit
I
of
should have purchased here only.
you are in a profit of 30 rupees here on one quantity. If you have purchased, how much money you invested there?
For 2,300, uncle.
Okay, so 2,300 you must have got around 30 quantity here, right? So 30 into 30, so you have made around 900 rupees profit
Okay.
with no extra charges. You might have pay only 4 or 5 rupees. That's it. You would have paid here, and there you have to pay a lot. Now you go tomorrow and ask the shop how much he will give you. You ask him and then tell me.
You will speak a lot, uncle, but
No, you ask him that I want to sell this. You tell me how much they are willing to pay. Okay, so you check with them whether they are giving you that much profit or not.
and he said to me, only like silver price I'll accept only in my shop. This one, if you go to another shop, we won't accept or something. I'm like, okay, I'll come and sell over here.
He's a businessman. He will tell all those stories. So now you go and sell it, and then he will tell you different stories.
Okay, I'll buy from your uncle exchange.
So next time, buy everything in the stock market. Don't go anywhere to buy. Only fruits and vegetables you buy from outside, and rest everything you buy here only. Okay.
So one more thing can I ask you, uncle? Instead of buying those Nifty 50 and all, this is like silver, no, uncle. I'll buy your only. Is that fine?
Silver and, yes, silver and gold don't buy now because gold is a bit expensive. Wait for some correction. See, if you see gold.
1 gram is 9,000, uncle.
1 second, gold. Please. Okay. So this is the best time to buy. If you get near this price, then add something here. Now it is.
But it's showing 80 rupees.
This is gold based ETF, 80 rupees. Okay.
So 1 gram is 80 rupees.
Not 1 gram. Here you will get one quantity. One quantity, right? So 1 gram you have to pay 8,000 rupees.
Oh, but okay. Hard gold is 9,000.
Hard gold will always be expensive than the ETF, right? This is kind of digital gold, now.
Okay, uncle.
Right. So that is why buy here only. Don't buy here. Don't buy there. Okay, clear?
Okay, understand, uncle. But the same growth as hard gold will be reflected on this also.
The prices will increase based on the hard gold only.
Okay, I didn't know this.
Now you will know now because I'm teaching you. Okay, understood?
Yes,
right.
uncle, understood.
So just try to revise and try to practice these things, and then we will talk about the next things in the next class. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
And then take tomorrow. Try to practice tomorrow, and then we will have class on Thursday maybe.
Okay, uncle. Yes. So from 12th, how many college is starting, uncle?
From 12th. Okay. No,
yes,
you said 12th. No. You said today you are going to college.
Yes, uncle. Today orientation is there, uncle.
Orientation. Okay.
Only where all books they should buy that one also.
So maybe on Thursday, if you want, we can have during daytime also.
Okay, uncle. I'll let you know, uncle. I'll text you.
You can text me. Okay, fine. So just try to practice this, and then we'll see on the next class. Okay.
Hammer and doji only, uncle.
Hammer, doji, support, resistance, pivot, these things.
Pivot points. Okay, uncle.
Because in the next class, I will teach you about demand and supply.
Okay.
Fine. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Uncle, I can't hear you, uncle. Yes, uncle. Today at 3 understood a bit. Now my question, uncle, I actually sold that. I'll send a screenshot, uncle, that one. I sold that one, but in Kotak New, actually funds should raise now, uncle. It didn't actually had previous funds of 120 rupees. So this one I bought it on Friday. So my funds should increase now, uncle. Like it did increase only, but I sold.
What was the amount?
It was 90. I bought it as 95. I sold it as 96, uncle.
No, I mean how many quantities?
Only one.
Okay. Check for brokerage. Now how much brokerage they deducted? Check for that.
Like in Kotak know how to check, uncle.
You have to check the statement now.
That this one. But in that
See,
view statement it's coming. Tell me, uncle.
No. At the time of buying and selling, you have to select the estimate charges there.
Okay.
See, I'll send you a snapshot. 1 second. Let's say there is a stock gold ETF, right?
Yes, uncle. I sent you. I sent you, uncle, the screenshot.
You select. If you go to buy option, right? At that time, it will ask you quantity and buying price, na?
Yes, uncle.
If you go down in the app, it will show you estimated charges.
Okay.
So once you click that, there you will be able to see how much it will charge. So for me, if I buy one quantity and sell one quantity, it is showing 15 paisa. Because my brokerage plan is different. So maybe your brokerage plan may be different. So I'm not sure how much they've charged.
No, uncle. Like actually, one doubt, uncle. If I sell today, will the amount directly come today only, or will it come after a couple of days?
Yes, it will come today only.
No, uncle. Like because I call Kotak customer care also, uncle. That new. They said they're following a strategy called T+2, where trade place day plus 2 days.
Same day, I think sometimes, but it depends on which stock you buy it. So for every stock, it's a different, right?
No, I bought an ETF, uncle, not a stock.
That is also a stock. If you purchase on Friday, right?
Yes, uncle. And I sold today.
The amount should get credited today only because in my Kotak, if I have a holding, then it will get credited on the same day. But the holding has to be. Just wait for tomorrow then. Wait for tomorrow.
Okay, uncle.
If they are same tomorrow, then wait for tomorrow. Because maybe for ETF they have a different policy.
Okay, uncle. Uncle, even one more thing, uncle. Like also, like I was just going on this in Google, uncle. Like those online quiz, uncle, for only for the channel, only for the candle. This one, uncle. Like the hammer one, and then the bearish engulfing, and then the doji, and then Marubozu. Like, is that fine, uncle? The online quiz, is that fine? It's kind of MCQ, uncle.
MCQ, what you will do? You are going to give an exam.
No. Like only select this one.
Yes, MCQ is waste. You do practice only live trading.
Like on the charts, this one.
Live trading only will help you. Okay. Only live trading will help you, nothing else. Don't read books, don't watch any YouTube videos. Just practice it. Practice in the live market from 9:15 to 3:30. That is only.
Uncle, college started, uncle, for me.
College started, huh?
Yes, uncle. It's up to 2:45.
Do after that, from 3 o'clock to 3:30 practice. Half an hour you have, no?
Okay. Yes, uncle. Uncle, like one more thing I want to ask, uncle. Like, can I book today night and tomorrow morning? Can the order be placed?
You can do that. There is an option of AMO, aftermarket orders.
Like aftermarket operations, uncle. That one
Yes, aftermarket orders, AMO. If you place that, if your price comes, it will get executed between 9 to 9, 7 or 9, 8.
Okay, uncle. One more doubt, uncle. In Kotak, how to set the stop loss, uncle?
You have to use GTT only. GTT orders.
Okay.
I have explained you about GTT.
Yes, uncle. You explained about GTT, but how to put that on? I know what is GTT, uncle. Like basically like stop loss, uncle. For market price stocks and all. But my question is like how to imply the GTT on the stock
Once
which
you
will
select
buy.
once you select the stock, once you open it, there is an option called create GTT. It will come there. See, I'll show you. Can you see my screen?
It's fully
Your
blurred,
mobile?
uncle. That one. It's fully getting blurred, uncle.
Okay, I'll send you a snapshot. Wait.
Uncle, or else, like, can I share my screen, uncle? I have my Kotak logged in on me.
You use app now, so in app it is different. In website it is different. Wait, I'll send you in the app.
Okay, uncle.
You have lunch time also, na, in college. At that time you can
Uncle,
practice.
lunchtime, like, I was sitting and doing this one only, uncle.
See, I have sent you a snapshot. Just check.
Okay, uncle. The create GTT, that one, uncle.
Yes. Create GTT. Yes. So that you can use to create GTT. If you want
So,
to buy,
no, uncle, like, when I press that button, uncle, like, there are a lot of options. In that one, like, which one should I choose and for what? When should I put the number and all?
quantity you have to select first. Okay, first quantity,
Okay.
and then you have a trigger price and limit price. You have to select two prices.
What is trigger price and what is limit? Limit price means like the price should go only till
have
and then I have
to-
to exit.
You have to keep a difference of 1% between trigger price and limit price. 1% difference. So if the trigger price is 90, then your limit price should be 1% of 90. How much? 9.9, right? So once the stock comes between that price, it will get executed.
Okay. So between the trigger price and the limit price, in
Yes,
case
you
if
have to place
the
two
stock
prices.
comes, it will get exited.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And then that's it. Then you can keep quantity also there.
Okay.
But in Zerodha, there is nothing like 1% difference. In Kotak, you have to use minimum 1%. Otherwise, it will not allow you to place a GTT order.
No, uncle, in Zerodha, whenever I'm trying to open, uncle, like once if you log in, again it's coming login. Again, I have to give my PAN. Like once if I open my app, uncle, I had to update my KYC, my PAN, and this one. Then again, if I close and again if I open this one, it will again say update your KYC and do the e-signature and all.
So that you have not done, maybe. That is why it is asking. Log a ticket. There is an option of